Precious, I got you a new pet blanket. Actually, it's a towel, but who cares? What? Want me to put it in your bed?
So if you want a sandwich, dear, like bread's in the fridge, there's cold meat.
So is it cool that I tore up your bed?
Or I can open up soup, whatever.
Yeah. So, hey, you're not supposed to be behind the TV.
Whatever else she's out here.
Gotta throw out all the garbage. Look, I'm claiming this white polka dot blanket back, and you can have these too. I don't know, maybe use it as a pillow. I don't know. But this is really soft. Okay, is that cool if I steal this white one back? This white polka dot one, and you have the bed? Yeah, I'm gonna wash the polka dot blanket, but I'm gonna steal it back. So are you cool with me tearing up your bed? You want a treat? Want treats? She's like, oh yeah, I'm all over that. This is cardboard. It's okay. Want treats? Yeah, come on. Precious, treats? Okay, Precious. Sit pretty. Good girl. Okay, high five. Good girl. Switch. Switch. Switch paw. Thank you. Next time, don't use claws. That hurts. Okay. Stay. Good girl. She still knows that trick. I'm amazed. Okay, one more. I think one more. Nope, two more. Kiss. Good girl. Shake paw. I don't know if you'll do it. Shake paw. Good girl. You know all your tricks. Now play dead. No, I'm just kidding. That one you don't know. You don't even know how to roll over. Good girl. No more. All gone. I'm going to close up the bag. So this is her favorite treats, Temptations.